for a while. Everything okay?
I don't understand my brain's done for the day.
Let me see. Oh, you missed this formula.
Oh, right. How do you always remember that?
Because I already made the same mistake before.
Guess I'm lucky to have you as my homework buddy. Thanks, you always know when I need it.
You've been out here for a while, thinking again.
Just enjoying the quiet. It's nice sometimes.
Yeah, no noise, no rush, just a peace.
And good company.
Can't argue with that.
Nang lumiban, makasakali na ito ay may salba pa ng malamig na ang gabi. Hindi na tulad ng dati, may pag-asa pa ba kung susuko ka na laraw?
Uy!
Uy,
Naalala ko ba yun ah?
oo nga eh. Tagal na nito sa atin eh, no? Nagagawin pa natin to.
Pero bata pa tayo nun, no?
Naalala ko nga, pinanong ko pa sa'yo to eh.
Kaso kinuha mo eh.
Pinagagawan din natin, no?
Oo.
Ganda na ito, oh. Bumblebee. Bata pa tayo na, no? Parang gusto kong bumalik sa pagkabata talaga eh.
Oo nga eh, ang dami nagbago pero parang pareho pa rin tayo.
Buti na hindi lahat ng bagay nagbabago eh, no?
Mo ba'y lulukutin ko na sa hirap at ginhawa?
Because I already made the same mistake before. Because I already made the same beef steak. Every day waiting for you.
Just enjoying the sunset.
Sasit. Ganda mo ah.